Hi, my name is Ikea, the product manager of Advantech's WISE series. Production line status is traditionally monitored by manually checking the stack light tower. To facilitate the digitalization of manufacturing and improve overall equipment effectiveness, Advantech developed its innovative WISE-S100 stack light sensing module. WISE-S100 is designed to replace the manual inspection of machine status. Functioning as a remote production line monitoring solution, the WISE-S100 stack light sensing module can detect whether the light is fast blinking, slow blinking, on or off, and maintain a record of the light status. It is designed to fit a variety of stack light towers to provide a smart factory solution that can be quickly and easily deployed. WISE-S100 features 8 built-in sensors and can be directly installed on machines for optimum positioning. Another advantage of this design is that it can be connected via a simple cable without needing to stop the machine or interrupt productivity. It also supports both the RS485 transmission interface and Modbus transmission protocol. WISE-S100 provides a comprehensive OEE solution when paired with our WISE-4000 wireless I/O module, which supports Wi-Fi, LoRaWAN, and sub-G communication technology for complex environments. WISE-4000 wireless I/O modules can store up to 10,000 bytes of data with timestamps and support various transmission protocols for transmitting data to the SCADA system or MES. The long-distance penetration and low power consumption of LoRaWAN and sub-G technologies is ideal for data transmissions through factories. Moreover, WISE-4000 wireless I/O modules support an optional battery to enable wireless functionality without complex wiring. The WISE-S100 stack light sensing module can be deployed for continuous flow and discrete manufacturing to enable remote management of equipment effectiveness. WISE-S100 can be paired with WISE-4000 wireless I/O modules to enable remote OEE management. By facilitating data transmissions to the SCADA system via the Modbus protocol, WISE-S100 accelerates the realization of an intelligent factory. For more information about this solution, contact your local sales team or search WISE-S100 on the Advantech website.